The use of profane language among Pakistani men and women. Profanity is a form of verbal aggression for emotional expressions in which religion or body-related taboo words or obscene language is used that is socially inappropriate or unacceptable. It is a purposeful and intended behavior. Some alternative terms for profanity are expletives, curse words, taboo words, swear words, or profane words. Taboo words are mostly culture-specific, include sexual references, blasphemy, different ethnic and racial slurs, vulgar and offensive terms, and can be used intentionally or unintentionally. People also use abbreviations or similar words to replace profane words. Profanity has the power to increase the persuasiveness of the speech and the perceived intensity of the speaker. Profane language is considered inappropriate in most societies. The main objective of swearing is to express emotions such as anger, frustration, joy, and to release sexual frustration and stress. Having more fun in jokes, sex talks, storytelling, in group slangs, ironic sarcasms, and humorous communications to promote social harmony and represent social connectedness can also be a purpose of swearing. Avoiding physical violence, lack of self-control, avoiding the fear of pain, reflection of sickness or destruction, provoking someone, attracting someone, getting control or power over others, and social recognition are also some reasons to swear. The contributing factors which make one swear include media, role models, faulty cognition and beliefs, and personality traits such as extraversion and antisocial personality. Pakistan is the sixth largest population of the world. Most of its inhabitants are Muslims and follow the conventional cultural practices strictly. As the country lacks research in many areas, there was no earlier study in Pakistan which would have focused on measuring the use of profane language among Pakistanis. A study by Dr. Sukoon was aimed at analyzing the use of swearing and profane language among Pakistanis. The study also focused on analyzing the role of gender and marital status in this regard. The study involved 613 participants. Among them, 237 were males and 376 were females. 493 of them were unmarried and 120 were married. The age range of the participants was from 16 to 46 years with a mean of 31 years. The educational qualification of the respondents ranged from 9 to 18 years of formal education. A new scale in Urdu was developed in the study. The initial validation of the scale revealed that the scale was sufficiently reliable and valid to be used further. The study revealed that the level of using profane language among Pakistanis is 38.84%. The reasons to use profane language included happiness, aggression, sexual frustration, revenge, attention-seeking, thrill-seeking, emotional satisfaction, avoiding physical fights, conversational habit, dominance, emotional immaturity, and power-seeking. The study further revealed a significantly higher use of profane language in men as compared to women. As compared to women, men projected significantly higher levels of using profane language for happiness, aggression, sexual frustration, revenge, attention-seeking, thrill-seeking, emotional satisfaction, avoiding physical fights, conversational habit, dominance, emotional immaturity, and power-seeking. Analysis by marital status revealed a significantly higher use of profane language in married as compared to unmarried. As compared to unmarried, married projected significantly higher levels of using profane language for aggression, revenge, conversational habit, and dominance. The newly developed scale to measure profanity had 12 factors. These factors included happiness, aggression, sexual frustration, revenge, attention seeking, thrill-seeking, emotional satisfaction, avoiding physical fights, conversational habit, dominance, emotional immaturity, and power-seeking. The study revealed that men and the married use significantly more profane language as compared to women and the unmarried. The literature reveals that profanity is socially more acceptable for men than women. Profanity is more acceptable in same-sex communications, and men usually avoid using profane language in front of women. As compared to men, women are thought to use lesser profane language and enjoy lesser sexual humor. This trend, however, has been changing with the passage of time and the Western Studies project that both the genders do swear equally these days with the same vocabulary. The current study has revealed that Pakistani women are still attached to the traditional roles of being modest and use less profane language as compared to men. This can be based on several psychosocial and cultural factors in the lives of Pakistani women. The earlier studies from Pakistan suggest that Pakistani women, as compared to Pakistani men, have higher tendencies toward mental disorders, have higher levels of grief, and are more conservative in marital relations. They still adhere to the prevailing cultural norms. The earlier literature has not focused on the differences in using profane language by the married and unmarried separately. The aforesaid study by Dr. Sukoon, however, has found higher use of profane language among married. The earlier studies on profanity have also discussed some other psychosocial factors too, that contribute to the use of profane language. Profanity is common in adolescents and adults both. The reaction to profane language, however, is harsher in people over 40 years of age. Profanity is also common among rich and poor both. Some professions are thought to swear more, such as policemen, soldiers, athletes, delinquents, and psychiatric. Thanks for listening. To read the entire paper, please visit www.dersakoon.info.